Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create and edit an exam template in the staff portal. Before that, let's go over the exam process first. Teachers first create an exam template, then assign it to their students or attach it to a specific course, so it's not a repetitive task. Once that's done, you just wait for students to complete the exam. Only then can you mark the exams and share the results. Got it? Now let's move on to creating an exam template. In the navigation menu, click Tools, then select Exam. Under Template tab, choose Create Template to begin building your exam. This will pull up a page. Now type the exam title, provide a brief description of the exam's purpose, and select the appropriate subject from the drop-down menu. Once the details are complete, you can start adding questions. Let's type in the first question. Next, choose a question type from the drop-down like multiple choice or short answer. Let's pick multiple select type. Now let's add some options, shall we? You can also mark the correct answer here, but it's totally up to you. Don't forget to set a point value for this question here. If needed, you can upload supporting files like images, videos, or audio by clicking Upload File. You can also import duplicate, save to the question bank, or delete the question you just made. And just like that, the first question is complete. You can add the next question by clicking on the plus icon here or the Add Question button. This time, let's try something different. Let's import a question from the question bank instead. Click the icon to access all your ready-made questions. I'm picking this one. There you have it. Second question is done. You can rearrange the question by dragging and dropping. Once you've added all your questions, click Save and Complete to finalize and save your exam. It's automatically listed in the Templates tab. You want to edit an existing exam template? Let's walk through it together. You'll remain on the exam page under the Templates tab. Next, find the exam you want to edit. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find it. Once you've found the exam, go to the Actions column and click the three-dot menu of the corresponding row. From the drop-down, select Edit. Now it's time to make your changes. You can update the exam details, manage the questions, add, edit, or delete them, and adjust the total marks as needed. When all changes are complete, click the Save and Complete button to finalize your changes. That's all there is to it. With your exams created, you're now ready to assign them. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.